Hey everyone, it's Liz. I'm coming to you once again from Lake Mead, but this time from Callville Bay. The reason why I chose this is because I was here several months ago shooting some video, and since then, Callville Bay, the boat launch, has shut down along with other boat launches here in Lake Mead. But since I happen to have video of Callville Bay several months ago, I could actually do a comparison to show you how far back the water has receded and what kind of conditions are going on at the boat launches out here in Callville Bay. So that's what this video is going to be about. Normally, if you watch my channel, I post content about Vegas, Henderson, Boulder City, and Lake Las Vegas. This is just an update video about Lake Mead, just because I live so close to Lake Mead, practically right next door. And there's a lot of things in the news about Lake Mead lately and the decreasing water levels. And I just want to show you that it is real and it is serious. And let's take a look at some previous video. This was filmed at the Callville Bay boat launch at the end of November 2021, so approximately 7 months ago. I'll be using this huge cement block as a point of reference. Now, obviously, it was still open for people to launch boats. I'll also use the end of this sidewalk here as another point of reference. As I pan around, you can see how the lake is wider, and it also extends closer towards the other ramp than it does in the next clip. And back here is the restaurant and the gift shop. Now it's June 2022 and we're back at the boat launch, which is no longer open for launching. So here's a cement block, and now we're walking to where the sidewalk ends. As I pan around, you can see how much the water has receded and shrunk in just 7 months. And again, way back here is where the restaurant and the gift shop are. I took a walk down to the very end of the boat launch, and you can see they tried to extend it out as far as they could before the water just got too shallow for anything to be launched. I also wanted to take a walk on the long pier so you can see what's going on here. Callville Bay still has a courtesy golf cart shuttle to a certain point, and then you have to walk the rest of the way. Are people allowed to ride bikes down here?
No, no, nothing with wheels. Just because of the docks. They don't want people going down on the dock and then falling off in the water. I'll pick you up if I see you.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys, so now I am at Callville Bay, and I want to show you where this water line is for 2021. In my previous video, I showed you where it was over at Hemingway Harbor, which is the other boat launch that's, well, the only boat launch that's open right now. But check this out. This sign is the Lake Mead water line in 2021, and the lake itself is way over there. So we're going to take a walk down there. I would say a quick walk, but I don't know how long this is going to take me. And we'll see what's going on down there now. But yeah, so let's say that you're fortunate enough, or I don't know if you'd want to call it fortunate at this point. Let's say that you have a boat slip here. You know, according to the video that I showed you earlier that I took last year, I mean, this was all underwater. All of this was underwater, and you were able to access your boats and the slips a lot easier than you are now. Now you have to take this long hike. This poor boat here looks like it met its unfortunate demise probably many, many years ago, but is just now uncovered. Okay, he's still walking. So a really interesting fact is the attendant told me that they moved the marina 80 feet yesterday. You heard me correctly. They moved the marina 80 feet in one day. So obviously the marina is not permanently affixed to the ground. They are connected at the bottom of the lake with anchors of some sort, and they have divers that go in, unhook all of the anchors, and then they have boats that pull the entire marina out towards deeper water. And yesterday they moved it 80 feet, and she said that they will continue to keep moving it out as far as they need to keep the marina active and going. I mean, people have their boats out here, they have slips they've paid for, so they're gonna keep moving it as far as they need to. 80 feet in one day, that is just completely shocking to me. And then look at this, we've got a boat propeller, a motor propeller there. A lot of rope laying around. These big blocks that you see laying around here, I'm assuming that this is what the marina was anchored to before it completely lost its water level. There's some more blocks out there. Here are some floating docks. Some other miscellaneous things that have been uncovered. We've got an old lawn chair, something that looks like an old satellite dish. This thing. Oh my gosh, this is actually a little scary to be looking at. Some old utility carts. And again, I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but there's a little golf cart way out here. That's where I started, where the sign said Waterline in 2021. And as you can see, this is how much it has receded in just less than a year. Water shuttle, I wonder what that is. Where does that go? Hi. Where does this water shuttle go?
If you have a boat in the marina, I take the boat.
Oh, I see. All right, so once you make it to this point, there is a water shuttle. So now if you have a boat here, he will shuttle you over to your boat, which who knows how far back this goes, but we're gonna go ahead and turn around now and head back. And let me tell you, from the point that the courtesy golf cart driver drops you off at until, and let me point that out again. So that's right about here where you see those metal rails. She stops there, that's the furthest she can go. So from that point, you have to walk all the way down this, and then all the way over there until you get to the marina. It doesn't look like it's that bad, probably on camera, but it's only June right now. It's probably around 2:30, and I know it's around 105 degrees. Fortunately, the wind is blowing. But you know, it's kind of like holding a blow dryer to your face. Is that, you know, is the air movement a good thing or not a good thing? So, yeah, it's something you should really consider. I'll find out if they still do boat rentals here. If they do, you know, it's something you need to think about. If you have a family, if you have a lot of stuff to carry, if you have elderly with you, if you have pets, you know, would you be able to make this walk in these temperatures? Now, yes, of course, in the morning, it's not as hot, but it can still be as hot as 100 degrees at 8 or 9 in the morning. So that is one thing to consider if you're coming to Callville Bay. There's a very, very long hot walk in store for you. Here she comes with her golf cart and the little flag on top. That is just a really welcome sight. And then these poor people are hauling their belongings in these carts that look like they're provided by, these black carts here look like they're provided by Callville Bay Marina.
Toasty out there after a while.
It does. All right, well, that is my brief update on Lake Mead and this particular marina and boat launch called Callville Bay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting or you'd like to see more content relating to Lake Mead, Lake Las Vegas, Henderson, Boulder City, regular Las Vegas, day trips to take from the Vegas area, go ahead and hit subscribe. Also, give me a like and share it with somebody that might be interested. As usual, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys soon.